Welcome to DAG Excel video number 7. Today I'll be looking at summing through sheets. There are many a time you find you have a worksheet with an arrangement like this, where you have your sales reps. The months that you're summing are possibly the same. You're summing from January all the way through to June, and then you have a list of names. And this will only work if the list of names is the same for product A, product B, and product C. So if you come to product B, the list of names is exactly the same. You're summing the same month, but for a different product. When you come to product C, you have the same arrangement, summing from January through to June, and the same list of names. So there's a quick way that you can add for you to find the summary of how much David sold for product A plus product B plus product C, how much Ashley sold, and everyone on the list, without having to start by saying equals. You click on column A, you select the cell, you plus, you click on product B, you click on the cell for David, plus, and finally you do the last bit for David again, and then you hit enter. You find your 5,336. If you copy this formula, you find that it will copy and it will work. However, this is quite inefficient, especially if you have a large number of sales reps and a large number of months that you're adding for different years. You'll find that you take very long to follow this route. There's a way that you can quickly sum through sheets. First of all, you just come to your summary, which should have the same arrangement as each of the product sheets that you have. So it should be arranged the same way first of all. Then you come here and click on your sales for David, January. You say equals sum. You hit tab to open parenthesis, and you are now ready to select. Then you come to product A, but instead of clicking anywhere else, you hold shift down and you click on the last sheet in your reference. They should be in order like that. So once you click on the last sheet, product A, shift, product C, all the three sheets highlight. Then you click on the cell that you want to add, and notice the table sheet referencing product A in single parenthesis separated by a colon. This is like product A to product C with an exclamation point to depict that these are sheet names, and then your cell reference. So they should all be arranged the same way, and each of the entries that you're adding for David and January should be in cell B2. After you're done, you close your parenthesis, Control Enter, and your 5,365 is there. Then you can copy it down. Let me show you how you can copy a formula quickly by first of all highlighting the range where you want to write your formula. Then you start typing equals sum, SUM, tab. Then you click on your product, you hold your shift down, click on product C, and click on your cell that you're referring to, close parenthesis, and now you hold control before you hit enter. So control plus enter, it will populate everywhere where you had highlighted. So you'll notice that it's still calculating 5,360. This is what David sold for product A plus product B plus product C. Ashley here also sold 7,200 for the three products. If you came to product A and said, okay, Ashley didn't sell anything here, you put 0, enter. The value for the summary will be less 210. So you notice it was 7,300 there, and it's decreased. If I put back my 210 there, you notice that my summary sheet will accordingly adjust and go upwards. What some people do when they want to add new sheets here but they do not have a list like this, so because for example I can actually copy this, I highlight my table, copy it and insert a new sheet, but as long as this sheet is somewhere in between, and call this product D. What did I highlight? Okay, so I can copy this, Control C, come to product D, Control V, and just change the numbers here so that we have a different data set. So I like to use rand between, it creates random numbers for me. Then my bottom number that I'll be using, say 500. My upper limit, I can put say 1300. Close parenthesis, Control Enter, it populates. Then I copy that and paste it as values by pressing Control plus Alt plus V, then V, Enter. We'll paste, hard paste them as values. So now I have a new data set. If I come here, my formula here did not include product D, even though it's part of the sheets that are here. Even if I put it here and I come to summary, this now will totally update because I have put product D in between a range that I had already named. So be careful, anything that you put in between the list of sheets that you have there will be part of the summary. Notice product D, when we added it, all the values increased. When we remove it and take it outside the range which is in the summary, the values totally change. So this construction here tells you that you're summing from product A sheet through to product C sheet for cell B2. So it is calculating from product A, product B, product C. Anything I push in between anywhere, it can be anywhere, as long as it's between A and C, it will totally add it to your summarization. If you like this video, click on like on the link below, and subscribe to my channel to get notifications for other videos. Thanks for watching, and see you next week.